Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and today we're going to look at this new junk journal I made using Beauty's Grace digital kit from Calico Collage. So away we go. So I used an encyclopedia. It's a garden encyclopedia. I ripped out the contents of it but used some of the pages inside. Just the kind of, I guess, beginner pages, the very front and back, and kept those. The outside here I just used some lace trim just to close it, and on here, just to cover up my bindings partially, I used embroidered napkin. So that's what I did here. I didn't want to totally cover it up, but I am going to sell this, so whoever gets it, if they wanted to, you could do that, but I just left it the way it is. So let's have a look. So these are the pages I left from the initial. This is one of the pages that was in the book originally. I just left it there. So here, I just added this as kind of a little holder. And I have just these two pieces. And those are both just kind of shoved inside there. I did use a little bit of scrapbook paper, but not a lot. This is the Beauty's Grace from Calico Collage, and there is a link down below where you can check them out. It's a beautiful, beautiful kit. This journal has two signatures, two very thick signatures. Lots of room to write and document in. Sorry, my window is open because it's a hot day today. This here is rice paper. These up as I go. Some vintage stamps. And I like to price my journals affordable, and you can find my journals all for sale in my Etsy shop with the link down below. The images on here are just so beautiful and crisp. I just love them. I love all the florals. Hopefully you do too. I left a lot of open space for you to, like I said, document or put your own take on things. This does come out. Beautiful images. These both pop out. This comes out as well. And below here is a vintage envelope. This is some handmade rice paper that I made, and the video to making that paper is should be at the top of your screen right now. This is some awesome avocado paper from Timekeeper Crafts. So it's a trifold. There's a little tag that you can pop out. And all of these tags, if they have holes, you can easily put some ribbons or twine or whatever you want in there. This is from Tailor Made Journals. Put something in this bag. There's a couple pullouts in here. This glassine bag. A little bag with a tag you can pull out. Here we have a picture, a tag, and some printed vellum. Here's a pocket, and there's some neat things in this one. Letter from 1921. This is a collage envelope. And there's a letter inside. There's that. This is heaping full of some awesome stuff. And that's the back page. So lots of goodies in here. It's a thick one. And it's ready to go to a new home. So make sure you check out the description down below for all of my Etsy links and my other links so you can take advantage of this awesome album, if it's, or journal I should say, if it's something that you're interested in. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button if you're interested in my videos. I thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed this. Love to see your comments. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.